What are you seeing? You're looking at the sand? Ooh.
Push it down.
You got a lot of stuff there.
There's lots of there.
What do we have?
Yeah.
You got cut in the sand with your knife.
Yeah.
Yeah. We have your jet. I like to disassemble. Are you flying that in the sand? Is it driving in the sand?
With this.
It's a barrel.
Where's that fall?
Can you stamp with it? Can you stamp the sand with it? Got some shapes. What other stuff do we have? Some more shapes. Letters. A little barrel. And some animals. A motorcycle. A wheel for stamping.
The wheel for stamping?
Yeah.
Wheel for stamping?
Yep. And you stamp it in the sand. This is kinetic sand. Special molding sand. We like to put it in our shapes for scan. You like having a lot of stuff piled up?
Piled up.
What were you doing before? Were you burying your wagon?
Yeah.
Wait, and then you dig it out? Oh, did you clear off the mirror? Now what do you see? Hey!
I'm waking up.
You put more stuff on the mirror? What if you put the shape on the mirror?
Sand.
You like the sand on the mirror? Alright, that's our activity for this morning. Can you say hi? Oh, eyes are open. Oh, he's down.
Let's see.
You want to see the video? Alright, say bye-bye, Nana. Bye-bye,
Bye,
Papa.
Nana.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.